This is my new bike. They're all making fun of me because I'm talking to the camera now. So, the grips are Odi Longnecks. The handlebars are Odyssey 28-inch Garry Youngs. The stem is the Odyssey Elementary stem. And the forks are Odyssey Racing forks. And my wheels, my hubs are G Sport hubs. Ratchet. This is opposite drive, left hand. I got these tires are Aaron Ross signature tires. The rims are Odyssey Hazard lights. And I got, for my frame, it's the Fit Eddie. It's pretty cool actually. And for my seat, I got the Aitken pivotal seat with the stolen Thermalite pivotal post. My chain is the KOOL KMC chain. Sprocket, $1 million Sprocket, Odyssey. Odyssey twisted pedals. My cranks are Profile racing cranks. 375mm left drive. Actually, they're both drive. Like, you can put it to right-hand drive too. That's pretty much my bike. I'll be making videos soon. Alright, shoot.